Hi guys, this is the Java series. We have completed arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and bitwise operators. Now let's discuss assignment operators. What is the usage of assignment operators? Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. These are all belongs to the assignment operators. Equal to, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiplication and assign, division and assign, modulus and assign, bitwise and assign, bitwise or and assign, bitwise exclusive or and assign, bitwise right shift and assign, bitwise left shift and assign. See here x is equal to 5. This equal sign is used to store the 5 into x variable. Okay, here add and assign operator. So this statement is equivalent to this one. X is equal to x plus 3. Okay, so we can write x plus equal 3 instead of x is equal to x plus 3. All the other assignment operators are like this one. Let's see this example. Here I have created two variables num1, num2. I have given 10 to num1, 20 to num2. So with the help of println method, I just print the num1 and num2 values on the console. Here I have used the multiply and assign operator. That means what? Num1 is equal to num1 into num2. That is num1 is equal to num1 into num2. Okay, this statement is same as this statement. Okay, so what is the value of num1? Num1 holds 10, num2 holds 20. So 10 into 20, 200. The result 200 will be stored inside the num1 variable. I just print the num1 on the console with the help of the println method. So let me execute this one. This is the number 1 value. This is the number 2 value. Here after the multiplication of num1 and num2, we got 200 stored inside the num1 variable. Okay, all the remaining assignment operations are like this only. Okay, now we have completed the operators. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.